Hey, morning. So we have finally got the DJI Action 2. So let me just unbox it and find out what all are we getting it. In India, it costs somewhere around 50,000, but you normally don't get it in stock in India. Here it costed me somewhere around 47,500. So inside this is how the packaging looks like, and this is the dual screen model. Now you have two options. You can either go for this one, which costs somewhere around 36 or 37,000. If you are looking for both the full module, you need to spend on this one. And if you're getting this, you're getting better audio and better mic, and you are also getting the ability to put the SD card. So inside the package you are getting DJI Action 2, one power cable, one front screen module, one magnetic lanyard, one magnetic adapter mount, one magnetic ball joint adapter mount. Let me just unbox it and see what all do we get and how it looks. So here on the top you're getting the QR code, because before you even set up the app you need to install the DJI Mimo app on your phone and then connect the module so that I can get the activation done from DJI server. So inside this directly you are getting the DJI main module for the camera module, which has a back screen, and one extra camera module for the just for the display module with the extra USB-C mode, and one place to put the SD card. And inside this, let me see what else do we get. You are getting the USB-C cable and the magnetic lanyard. And what else do we get? Okay, the magnetic lanyard, the last module, and you're getting one ball joint module. Let's open all those things separately once. So for this one, so this is how the magnetic lanyard looks like. So you have to put it something like this inside the t-shirt, and this one needs to be removed. And this is how you need to put it inside the t-shirt, and this one needs to be placed like this, and the camera is going to stay yes, this is how it's going to work for the POV mode. And if you are looking to install it both, let me just open both of this and see. So size, you can see it's very small. This is how you can compare it with my hand. This is what the size is. If you are comparing with the GoPro size, let me just, so if you compare for the iPhone size, the iPhone camera module is somehow this size. So this is somewhat maybe 2 centimeters a bit big than the iPhone camera. So this is how small it is. So basically it's kind of very delicate, you can say that, because once you drop it, there is no way to get it the camera back, because DJI is not selling this camera model separately. So if you somehow drop it and destroy the camera front screen, maybe you have to end up buying it extra. So maybe it makes more sense to go for the DJI Fly Refresh, DJI Care Fresh, which is extra, I guess $100 or something like that. And this is the extra module for the screen and the SD card module. So this is how it looks, and this one you can see that how strong the magnet is. This is how it looks, and this is how it works. For the magnet, if you want to detach it, all you have to do is just press it both on both sides and remove it. Then again, just this is how it sticks. So magnet is kind of very sturdy and tight. And let me see what else do we get. So this is probably the, yes, this is how the ball joint is. For the ball joint, again you are going to take something like this, and it's done. This is how it connects, and you can put it to a tripod mount or something like that. And for this one, and this is one extra module. So all you have to do is just use this for putting it on. So only inside the bag package you are only getting the DJI Osmo Action and the extra module, one ball joint, and one lanyard, magnetic lanyard, and one USB-C. This is what you get. And now the next step has to be the activation for this one, and I will make one more video explaining about the video modes and how it needs to be used. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, just go ahead, like the video and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the new vlog. Bye bye.